I received this product for free in exchange for my review. Hi, this is Ben, and this is the NIL-Tech 53-piece pencil set. I'm going to open the box, show you everything that is included in the set and what they are for, and at the end, we'll test some of the pencils out. So when opening the box, I was greeted by a fun welcome pamphlet, then the kit, and below that, an invitation to a survey. The case here is good quality with a zipper and a small loop on the end for carrying. Inside, everything is nicely organized. We have a small sketch pad, a 60-pound paper. There are a few other goodies from the brand as well. One great perk is that customers do get access to online resources. So here are the actual supplies in the kit. You get 13 watercolor pencils. These are similar to color pencils, but you can apply water to them directly on the paper. You get 12 colored pencils. They call these metallic color pencils, and they come in a variety of lesser common colors. You get 12 drawing pencils. There are 12 because they're various hardnesses of the lead. 3 charcoal pencils, and they do not come sharpened. There are 6 oil pastels, an eraser, a very sturdy metal pencil sharpener with 2 sizes, a blending tool, a pencil holder, which is intended to be used when the pencils get too short to hold on to, a pad of sandpaper, which is used for sanding down your pencil lead into a very fine tip. Then there is a water brush, which can be filled with water, giving you control over the flow, and a very soft and pointed bristles. It twists in the opposite direction than what you'd expect, and it can be filled with water. And finally, just a fine tip paintbrush. So I tested this out on some of my own charcoal paper. First, I tested out the watercolor pencils, and here are a few different colors. Next, I tested out some of the metallic colored pencils. Then I tested the watercolor pencils again, but this time I used the brush and water to blend. So you can see here the watercolor effect. Here is a test of one of the drawing pencils and the blending tool. Blending tool worked on both the drawing pencils and the color pencils. Well, that's just a quick overview and demo of some of this kit. Overall, it's a great kit. It is professional level quality, and you can get all the basic tools you need for getting started or continuing on as either an aspiring or even an accomplished artist. I love that it's organized in the case, it's portable. So yeah, it's so great. I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.